Yes, Shraddha Kaushik, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you have got the both groups and this is now the second month.
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel the classes are? And you are from Uttar Pradesh, no? You just mentioned
Yes,
it is
sir.
Uttar Pradesh. So you're
Yes,
from,
I'm from UP.
so
Yes.
which district?
Saharanpur.
Near to?
What?
Near
Sorry?
to? It is near to which district?
District.
Popular district, near to.
Well, it's northwest. You
North,
can say
northwest.
northwest, Yamuna Nagar.
I know, I
Yamuna
understood.
Nagar, Meerut.
I understood.
Dehradun, yes.
Okay, Meerut, I know. Yeah, fine. So,
Okay.
how do you know about our academy? Like,
I saw your fast track YouTube videos of auditing.
Oh,
From there,
nice.
I got to know about you and your classes, and
Nice,
I really like that video. So I thought I will subscribe for all the subjects.
generally, no, we don't recommend to go for both the group subscription, but still, you subscribed for both the group. I think probably you are doing some 1 or 2 subjects in the first group and 1 or 2 subjects in second group. I think only then both the group subscription will be useful for you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, which subjects you are watching actually?
I'm watching accounts in group 1 and taxation.
Okay.
And in group 2, I'll be watching auditing.
Nice.
And SM and eco.
SM and economics. Fine.
Yes.
So, how is the accounts? Like accounts, we are uploading every day new recording. I hope you are observing it.
Yes, sir.
So, how are the classes of accounts?
Sir, I think it's very good. I'm having fun and I'm understanding everything. And the teacher, they solve questions with us, and that is very helpful.
Nice. Actually, that too from north. Your feedback is very special to us because you're from North India. More importantly,
Yes.
and there are plenty of institutes surrounded
Yes,
by
sir,
you. So, in
right.
spite of it, you are selecting us without even having any knowledge about what our institute gives you. Getting it? So, earlier you would have attended at some other institute, right? I don't want to name it, but are you getting more value addition with us?
Yes, sure. Of course, I'm getting more value from here. Sir, actually, the institute in this area where I live, they don't teach us in pure English,
Yes.
They teach us in Hindi, and it's a little bit inconvenient.
Yes. No. Tell me, Shraddha. I think you brought a very interesting thing. Tell me, which is best way? You're English medium student, yes or no?
Yes.
And which is best to listen for you? And most of the students in your locality are also English medium only, 99% mostly.
Yes.
But the classes are in Hindi, right? Which is better for a student who is writing in English medium? For him, the classes, is it better to be in Hindi or is it better for English?
I think according to me, it is better in English because we will be going to write in English in the exams as well. No?
Exactly. So I think you can clearly sense the quality of improvement. When you're listening the classes in English, the quality of command, you need not spend that many hours of reading later on.
Right.
Yes. And what about the other subject? GST, I think it is fully uploaded. Have you listened to the GST classes? Samashiva.
Yes, some of them, not all of them. Yes, I really like GST classes as well.
So he's actually right now, Sambashiva sir is also working in Coal India Company in Chhattisgarh. Okay. So almost you also reach to north from south. So you like these classes? How are they? Like which chapter you have gone through GST?
I have gone through introduction, supply, and levy of GST.
Nice. How detailed there? Like very detailed?
Yes, they are detailed. He explained everything and very nicely, and I really like it.
Yes. Even in the concepts of returns and registration, he will show real practical way of doing registration, all that.
Right.
It's a very simple process. And then only these 2 subjects you heard in group 1, right?
Yes.
Try our other laws also. It is also very good. And company law is mine only, anyhow.
Yeah, I know.
Then coming to group 2, auditing, you already gave me feedback at the first instance itself. So how about this strategic management? Harish Krishnan, sir.
Oh, no, not strategic management. I said FM and eco.
Okay, financial management. Yeah, financial management is again by Samashiva, sir. And economics, how is the economics?
Economics was also good. They are very practical, and theory. I understand everything.
Actually, that faculty is a UPSC aspirant. He even have qualified prelims once. So, and moreover a CA and worked at abroad. So, multi-dimensional knowledge. But mainly, more importantly, UPSC candidate. So their way of dealing with economics is completely different from if I deal economics. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, fine. So you are really enjoying the subjects. I hope everything is
Yes.
fine.
Yes, everything is great, sir.
Any
Really, thank you
suggestions?
so much.
Any suggestions and all?
No, not really. I really like everything. I think it's perfect.
Perfect. Even the materials, the running
Yes,
notes.
even the material is great. It's great, really.
Nice. Very good to hear.
Thank you
Shraddha.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you for your time even when you are in traveling.
No, it's okay.
Okay,
Thank you so
I'll
much.
I'll put this audio on YouTube. Okay, no?
Okay, no
Thank you.
problem, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank
Shraddha.
you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.